Not.
Where are we going?
We're going to Denver, Colorado.
Right.
So we are going foreign today. Yeah, journey with the Jackson. Watch and enjoy. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we'll take you guys along with us. Let's see what kind of adventures we actually find.
Yeah.
Let's see. Jenny. Good boy. Be good. Be good. I don't want to get you. I don't want to see if you're going to drown. You learn. Oh my gosh, yeah. Hey people, it's a video.
A video.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're in Denver. We're in Denver, Colorado at the Denver International Airport. Boarding the train to collect our bags. Where are you? Way up in there. Straight up. Just straight up.
Straight up.
Doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to terminal from transportation and baggage claim.
Okay guys, so we are officially in Denver and it's cold. It's cold. Trust me. So we are going to take a shuttle to the to pick up the car, right? Oh shit. This light is generating a whole lot of heat, so we are thawing out. Hey guys, it's so cold.
No, baby.
I can feel the cold wind on my face. It's not nice. We're headed to the mall right now. Yeah. Gotta check out some stuff. Yeah. So here's Bay in front of me, sweetie.
I would live here.
Would I live here? Alright.
Yeah, I like it. It reminds me of Portland somewhat. Colorado Mountains.
Okay, so we're eating some Indian food. This is curry chicken. This is another type of curry. I don't remember the name of it, but it's quite tasty. So it's good to get this type of food here in Denver.
That's where we got some stuff. So this is actually basmati rice.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the flavors. There's a lot of
How are you
herbs,
enjoying it, Fiddy?
Indian herbs and stuff in there. Really nice. It doesn't have the same seasoning as when we cook curry chicken in Jamaica. But I just don't know. It seems to be there seems to be onion, maybe a little bit of turmeric, and maybe some garlic.
Yeah, so there are some Indian spices.
And the
giving
basmati
it-
rice is really nice.
Yeah.
Very well cooked.
Stop. Wala ba dito tayo? Sama mo ko tayo eh? Ano sa put dawan niya? Ano sa wala ba sa? Hello. Oh. Fuck. Ice for days. Eh? Así.
Nobody call a friend.
Call a friend. get where.
You don't like that? Don't be upset.
Mm-hmm.
No, look at the sun.
Come play with something.
Look here, it's pretty.
Eh? Mm-hmm.
This is what I did. This is Vengeance is mine. No, you did it to us. I No, I popped the shot. Shane.
Into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on.
Goodbye then.
And just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes.